Meaning of eclecticism.
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 Eclecticism. Eclecticism refers to a style or approach that draws inspiration from diverse sources, rather than adhering to a single ideology or tradition. Essentially, it involves the synthesis or combination of different elements from different cultures or styles to create something new and unique. The result can be seen in architecture, art, music, fashion, and philosophy, with examples ranging from the eclectic fusion of classical and modern design in contemporary buildings, to the blending of various musical genres and cultural traditions to create new forms of expression and creativity.